Fukuoka is Silent Hill. Yes, it's Silent Hill. It's filled with horror experience there. 赤ちゃんになっちゃった。Which is now baby. 幼児対抗じゃん。ぜひね、こちらを切り抜いていただいて。
やめろ。
Please, someone clip Michiru baby moment.
No, don't clip. Don't clip. Don't.
We gotta download it.
Don't.
And save it on our phone so we can watch it anytime. Happy birthday, lazy Clipper. Happy birthday to you.